Hey, Seth, Miranda here in Cologne, Germany for Photokina 2018, the biggest trade show in the industry. So we're going to go check out the biggest brands, newest innovations. So let's go walk the floor and see what we can find. So here I am in the Panasonic LUMIX booth where it is absolutely crazy. People are crowding all this glass because inside that glass is their first ever full frame mirrorless system, the S series, the S1 and the S1R. The S1 is 24 megapixels. The S1R, standing for resolution, is 47 megapixels. We're talking about them answering every concern that other systems have had. They have internally body stabilization, dual card slots, XQD and SD in the same body. They are robust, they are weather sealed, they have the famous autofocus that Panasonic's known for, and let's be honest, they've been doing smaller sensors forever and marketing that as like the way to go. So this is a big step. Why did they do this? Because the L mount came around. Sigma, Panasonic, Leica all got together and created the L mount system, which uses the SL Leica mount system. So anyone who starts walking into this walks in with a lens line ready to go. And plus, they're creating their own native lenses for it. And Sigma's going to have the L mount lenses too. This is an incredible announcement. It's almost like it's already out there with momentum already. We're really excited to see what comes from the system, and clearly everybody else is as well. Alright, so I'm here at the Fujifilm booth where they just dropped the GFX 50R, which is their medium format rangefinder style camera. EVF, not optical, not hybrid, EVF. So it's the same specs as the S body, $4,500 as a retail price, but it's smaller, an inch thinner, way more sportier, way more discreet. It pretty much in my hand feels like a oversized Pro 2. So I'm actually, I'm pretty surprised by this thing. It's super light, very easy to handle. We got some BMX riders in there, and it's handling it just fine. And you guys know how much I'm tied to BMX. Also, you still got the flip screen on a medium format. Same sensor as the GFX S, so you're pretty much talking about the same camera at a lower price point, brand new, and it's a lower profile, so it's easier, sportier, take it around, all around camera. Great job, Fuji. So it's a madhouse here at the Fujifilm booth. Huge announcements like the 50R, but also my personal favorite announcement. We now have Capture One capability with the Fujifilm series, the GFX in particular, which I've always said, you have a medium format system, you got to tether, right? Yes. So I'm here with Peter. You're a huge fan too.
High five.
How long have you been waiting for this?
Since day one of the medium format system, I was internally crying a little bit that I could not use my favorite RAW converter.
I think we all were like that. Everyone's been making plugins for Lightroom. Fuji had their own software. Capture One is an industry standard.
Yes.
It's an amazing piece of software. So how's it been performing for you?
Yes, I mean, it's performing very well. Everything is that I'm used to. I'm playing with this version since 2 hours now.
2 hours.
Of course, everything is as you're used to it. And the big important news is that it works.
You can do everything you could ever do in Capture One with other systems, finally for Fuji. Huge announcement, huge deal, and now it's finally able to work fully integrated into studio settings. Huge deal. Peter, you're the man. You're the man, bro. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm here at the Fujifilm booth, and I got the new SQ20 they just released, allowing for 15 seconds of video, and then grabbing a frame out of that clip to print. Now it's done an analog print, meaning it goes to Fuji Instax film. It's not digital, it's just like the SP1 printers. On top of that, little fun design. You can hold it however you want. You'll always be able to capture one of these two shutter release buttons over here. Also, digital zoom, photo collaging after the fact, digital filters, also time shift collaging also. So a lot of this is just enjoy it, shoot what you want, figure out the print later. A lot more enjoyment. I'm pretty excited on this design. Also, beige. So I'm here at the Broncolor booth with Jorg, where they've just released the LED system. It is the LED F160, which is a constant light source from Broncolor. So LEDs have had a bad rap for a long time, CRI issues. These are 99 CRI. But tell me some more about this. Let's go through the menus on this.
Okay, now we go to the menu. As you see, the blue frame is the focus. If you rotate the wheel, you can change the focus. If you press, you are at the functionality. Here you can go back. Normally, it's one main focus is to keep the user interface easy,
Right.
or let me say clean. I mean, normally you are here.
Output, power, and angle, right?
Yeah, it's output. You can dim it.
You said it's 15,000 lumens, you said?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can also go change the color temperature when you're here.
From daylight to tungsten balance.
Yeah, it's from 2,800 until 6,500.
Huge range.
Huge range.
Huge range.
And you can change the green shift.
So you got the magenta green shift on this also. So this is incredible. And what kind of mount do you have on this? You have the same mount you always use?
It's the same. It's
So you can
compatible
use
with the Bronze bayonet.
Oh,
It's really standard.
So, whoa. Releasing it. Look at you. So this is the head, LED, constant light source from Broncolor with their mount for all their modifiers. This is an exciting venture for you guys. You haven't gone here yet. What made you go for the LED?
Well, we think the market will change in future.
Oh, really?
Already for continuous light is changed, but also for flashing.
Oh, interesting.
Both with,
Because the hybrid video versus photo, and then people want to shoot in constant light.
and the devices are much lighter because you don't need much capacitors inside.
Right.
That's a big advantage.
Power efficiency, things like that. But it's taken a while for the quality of light to get there.
The most work in such a lamp to realize this is to do the measurements for the mixture of the color. If you look in,
Wow.
this is the LED element. It's every done in Ultra in our company, and there are different white LEDs.
Right.
And in principle you can't see it. It's ultraviolet and other colors.
You're just trying to balance the color spectrums inside the LED to give the most accurate color, which has been the problem with LEDs for a long time. But at 99 CRI, I think we're there, huh?
Yeah, but you have to do a lot of measurements until the mixing points are correct.
You got to do all the smart, complicated stuff, right? This is amazing. Broncolor has never, ever been faulty on the quality, absolute top end. So thank you so much for showing us what is this? We're talking about the LED F160. Wow. Okay. Thanks so much, man. Thank you. So here I am in the Panasonic LUMIX booth where it is absolutely crazy in here. People are crowding around all this glass because inside that glass is their first ever full frame mirrorless system, the S series. What just happened?